That looks pretty. Yeah. Good morning. It's 9 o'clock. All right. Here we are, Thursday morning. Oh, look at my beautiful crystals, newly shined. A new bird feeder right outside the window, so we're getting a lot of customers right at the window this morning. But the sun is so bright you can't tell. But you can see these beautiful hand-cut Swarovski amber crystals. Perfect. A lot of amber up there. Yeah. Amber. You're an amber girl. Yeah, I am. I'm gonna wear some amber today. We have some nice amber stones from Europe. Amber is a natural anti-inflammatory stone. If you wear it, it's supposed to help with aches and pains. So I have a beautiful necklace/bracelet that I will wear. Thank you for reminding me about the amber today. That's quite all right. We have to utilize everything in the tool shed. And today I have to do a little bit of everything. Leg work, yep. Acupressure on the feet and ankles, okay. Some mosaic work, yeah, that would be great. And music, gotta get up and do a song or two with David Johansen. Okay, that would be great. You think we can incorporate it into this video? No. You're nothing if not honest. Well, I want energy. I wanna when David Johansen comes. I know you're here, David. Yeah, let's build up to that because I really want you sounding great on that. I don't think no more rehearsal. I'll just go in. All right, I'm gonna be doing a new tune with David Johansen of the New York Dolls this morning. So be on the lookout for that. Look at my kitties. My crossed over kitties. And pups. Some of them. My living kittens are racing around this morning like lunatics. I think the autumn weather really gets them going. Yeah, this is a meditation. Also, within that crystal bowl, I love those little bowls, fish bowls. I keep crystals all over the house in those. It's a nice way to spread them around. Not goldfish. I don't believe in keeping goldfish in those little things, but crystals, fine. And in addition to the Swarovski amber, there is something called fire quartz in that crystal, and we got them a few years back in honor of the twin flame connection. Something called fire quartz, and we have a bunch of nice big chunks in there, and those are a very light orange color, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. So that's like a little bowl of fire there by that window. It's picking up the light, real beautiful. Looks really good. And that's all we have to say for now. Is it? Yeah, that's it for now. Come, Praise be God and Mother, of course, and always. Do we have any work for Shantiveda today? Well, that remains to be seen, but probably a little something here or there. We have a lot of other stuff to incorporate into our routine today. John, that poem you wrote me yesterday, Montana. Every time you write a new poem, it's my new favorite. This poem, it's going to be hard to beat. He pulled it directly out of my memories and his memories of me as like a 14-year-old girl walking to the horse stables every Saturday morning to ride my favorite horse, Montana. If I couldn't get Montana, I would wait for him. Or I'd be I'd be a little disappointed. There were other great horses there. There were always beautiful horses at the academy in Queens, right off Metropolitan Avenue. But Montana was the horse. And yesterday, John wrote the most gorgeous poem about being Montana, yes. About actually being Montana and riding and being my steed. And I was the Queen of Wands, and we rode through the woods, and he loved me so much, and I loved him. But I thought that he was Montana. One day we'll go to Montana, and then you'll really feel special. I'd love to go to a lot of places with you. Oh, there's a beautiful mourning dove. Look, there he is. Come on, come on. There he is. Oh, what a nice thing. It's very nice having that feeder right outside there. Oh, here they come. So last night I had another weird dream about we're swimming in that huge river or lake or whatever, and Cynthia was there, and what was going on, John, with that? I get so shy in those kind of dreams with you. You really do. You're impossible to talk to at times because you're so right there. Aren't I right here, right now? Yeah, I don't know. It's very hard for me sometimes. You're like swimming away from me. Out. Mother is saying he just wants to see if you'll follow him. Yeah. Why are you always testing me like that in dreams? I wanted to swim next to you and stuff, and you just make me feel like you just want trying to get away from me. It's not that. Don't be a dumbhead. Oh, stop it. I'm not. I just wake up feeling very unfulfilled. Well, that's why I'm here when you wake up, so that you can get fulfilled. Yeah, but when you do that in dreams, it feels terrible. It really feels like you're trying to escape from it, and it's not that. I'm very, very shy. I don't feel handsome. I feel stupid. And John, what are you talking about? You don't feel handsome? Well, I feel stupid, and I feel very exposed. Well, you're swimming, so you're not going to be wearing clothes, right? That's not how I mean it. How do you mean it? I don't know. There's just nowhere to hide from you sometimes. Why are you trying to hide from me? I need to understand this. Why do you do this in these dreams? Not all of them. Not all of them, but last night you did. I like you. Lena, yeah. I'm that little bird. Yeah. Look, I'm peeking out at you like that. See, I'm just like that little bird that's just peeking at you. You're not peeking at me. You're eating stuff. Sometimes I do that too. What do you do? You eat? Yeah, I feel like I eat my feelings. You eat your feelings, yeah. And that's you talking to me now as that little bird? Yeah, I'm that little bird. Hiding behind the thing. Mm. Eating. You're a cuckoo. I'm a cuckoo bird. That's me. Look at me. I'm cuckoo. I'm cuckoo for you. See, look. I don't know what to say, John. Actions speak louder than words, little bird. You're my little bird. This bird has flown. Yeah, I was flying in that dream. I know you flew away from me. I did not fly away from you. I was looking for you. This bird has flown.